Hi friends, welcome to Electronics World. Today I am explaining about the smart helmet system. Smart helmet system is introduced based on the number of accidents is held in today's world. To reducing the accidents, smart helmet system is introduced. And also nowadays people are mostly drunk and driving. To reduce that one also, smart helmet system is useful. Now we can see the some of the components used in the smart helmet system. Number 1, GSM module. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. In this we put an SIM behind of this. With the help of SIM it will send the message to the particular person. Second, 16 into 2 display. It is used to identify the person. What is the next process will be held. Third one, GPS module. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It will send the latitude and longitude to the GSM and GSM will send the message to the particular person. In this GPS module, we are using an whip antenna like this. Fourth one, Arduino Uno. It is useful to install the program. What is will be happen next. Fifth one, we are using an RF transmitter to the helmet. Seventh one, RF receiver. Eighth one, a relay, a ignition key to turn on the engine. We are taking an HW battery instead of petrol. A DC motor. Instead of engine, we are taking an DC motor. A smartphone to identify the messages which is come from the GSM module. Now we can see the practical working of this smart helmet system. Now we practically see the working of the smart helmet system. System ready, wear helmet. System is asking to wear the helmet. Now my friend will wear the helmet and show. The helmet is wear. Now we can see in the display. Helmet is wear. Breathe to start. Now we can breathe. The siren indicates the correct breath of the person. Now we can see in the display alcohol is percentage is 404. We are in non-alcoholic. Now engine is start. When we start the engine will be started. We can see in here. When the engine is running, when we remove the helmet, the automatically the motor will be offed. Now you can see here. When vehicle is moving, when the accident is occurred, this accelerometer sensor changes direction and send the Arduino that the accident is happened. The Arduino will send the message to the help of the GSM module to us, to the mobile like this. When the person is into alcoholic, the message will also send by vehicle is alcoholic. We can check the speed of the vehicle also. Here the vehicle is constant, so we can see the vehicle speed is 0. When the vehicle is actioned, the GSM send the latitude and longitude of the vehicle. When we touch the link, we can directly goes to the Google Maps. We can see the directions of the vehicle where is accidented. We can go and rescue them. Here we can see the directions in between them. When the vehicle is we can lock the vehicle by sending a single message to this device. The SIM which is in the GSM module, we send the message to them. We send a simple code to this SIM which we are put in this. Just I am sending a code which I have put. When the SMS is delivered, the vehicle will be automatically offed. Vehicle will be locked. We can track this vehicle also by sending a simple message like this. By sending a simple message like a track, we can have a message from the GSM module like this. Here we can come the vehicle tracking system with the latitude, longitude, and also the link from the Google. Thank you.